Hello everyone! Welcome back to Like a Joy channel. Part 2 guys ng ating balloons at Elizabeth Key 2024. Stay tuned guys! So ito guys yung pinakamalaking balloons dito sa Elizabeth Key. Andito guys sa aking likuran. At sa ganda nga guys ng view ay hindi ko napigilan na hindi magpa-picture habang naka-videos. Thank you sa aking photographer. At sa ating camera girl.
What you gonna do? I don't wanna be the one who just keeps on chasing you, baby. Don't you know it's true? I'm not like the other girls, baby. Don't get it confused. You gotta work to call me your own. Ain't no doubt about it. Don't call me up when you feel alone, 'cause I can't do without it. Tell me what's the move? I can't do this anymore. Need something new, 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 new. Show me that you want me to. Oh, I'm starting to get bored, so in motion. I need more. I'm not your ordinary girl, no. I'm not your ordinary girl, no. 'Cause I know you love the attention, but you know I'm on a mission. Yeah, I know you love the attention, but I don't do second guessing. Yeah, you gotta work to call me your own. Ain't no doubt about it. Don't call me up when you feel alone, 'cause I can do without it. Yeah, tell me what's the move? I can't do this anymore. Need something new, 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 new. Show me that you want me to. Oh, I'm starting to get bored, so in motion. I need more. I'm not your ordinary girl, no. I'm not your ordinary girl, no. I don't wanna waste my time if you don't wanna do this right. If we gotta say goodbye, it's alright. I'll be just fine. So tell me what's the move? I can't do this anymore. Need something new, 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 new. Show me that you want me to. Oh, I'm starting to get bored, so in motion. I need more. Tell me what's the move? I can't do this anymore. Need something new, 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 new. Show me that you want me to. Oh, I'm starting to get bored, so in motion. I need more. I'm not your ordinary girl, ordinary girl, ordinary girl, no. I'm not your ordinary girl, ordinary girl, ordinary girl, no.
Ang Elizabeth Key nga po pala guys ay isa sa dinarayo ng mga turista. Isa sa magandang pasyalan dito sa Perth. At masarap din dito guys magtambay-tambay kasi nga sa tabing dagat ka. So, nakaka-relax. At ang ganda ng view guys. Ayan, refreshing ang inyong inday. Ito yung kadalasan na tinatambayan namin ng family ko. Kasi nga, pagka Sunday, ayan, magkakasama ang pamilya. Kadalasan dito kami dumidiretso kasi minsan gusto namin sa tabing dagat. At minsan naman sa ibang area. Pero, madalas talaga dito kami guys sa Elizabeth Key. Sakto guys, may dumaan na tren sa aking likuran. Mini tren. Natuwa naman ako guys dun sa mini terrain na dumaan. Kaya sabi ko dito guys dun sa aking videographer, tara sundan ka ako natin yung tren. So ako akala ko naman sumusunod siya sa aking likuran. Yung pala, nag-stop siya guys, nagpaiwan. And then ako, andun na ako guys sa dulo. Ang layo-layo ko na habang yung aking videographer ay nakatingin lang pala sa akin mula sa malayo. Sabi ko tuloy sa kanya, sayang, hindi natin nasundan yung mini terrain. So, na-shy daw siya kasi maraming taong dumaraan. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, pwede mo naman kakong i-up yung camera. Pasensya na guys sa aking videographer at medyo magalaw ang kanyang camera kasi medyo shy talaga siya guys mag-video-video lalo na pag may dumaraan na tao. At ayan guys sa atin nasa likuran, ang daming balloons naglutang sa water.
Hello guys! Babalik na muli ang inyong Inday guys at nandito tayo guys sa maraming palobo dito sa Elizabeth Key. Ayan guys, daming balloon sa baba. At meron pa doon sa kabilang side doon guys. Doon pa sa kabilang side may pabalons. At eto guys, ang pinakamalaking pabalons dito andun no. Andun si Habi nakapwesto. Ayun guys, ang lalaki ng balloons. Ayun. Ayun si Habi. Teka lang mag-selfie nga tayo guys. Ang ganda ng view, nakaka-amaze. Nakaka-amaze guys yung view dito. Ayun. Ayun no. Ayun guys oh. Nakaka-amaze ang view. Yan, nakaka-amaze. Na-amaze si Inday, nagumala-gala muna tayo sa tabing dagat. Tabing dagat to guys, dito yan sa Elizabeth Key. Perth, Western Australia. Ayan. Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow and share. Ayan. Bye bye guys. Yung pinakamalaki guys, nandito tayo sa pinakamataas. Ayan, pinakamataas guys. Ang ganda. Nakaka-amaze. Nagsasariling sikap na lang tayo kasi ang ating camera girl pagod na daw. Inikot-ikot ko ganina. Yan. Ayan si Bossing. Hi Bossing. Say hi to my fans. Ayaw talaga di Bossing sa camera guys. Pasensyahan nyo na.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Follow for more guys for more videos. Don't forget to follow and share. God bless.